So the seat on this Airbus A320 Wizzair is standard cushion with standard seat belts. Does not recline and is rather thin. The armrests do go up, but are very hard and tough and of poor quality. Armrest there already gone. The tables simply open and are now like this. Nothing special, rather small, as you can see compared to my hand. In the pocket you shall find safety instructions and the Wizz magazine and air sickness bag. On the overhead panel, the standard white light, an air vent, and an air curate called process. The leg space, rather sufficient, I can say. Very cramped, especially when you can't take your seat back. Not much space. If you put a bag under your seat, you can't really move your legs. Window shades, standard procedure, up, down, closing, something very new. This is a standard Airbus A320 toilet with the sink over here. As you can see, nothing special. To dispose water, simply press over here and regulate its hot, cold. Water flows and goes away on its own, as it should. So it's disposed over here. The toilet paper, as well as paper you use to wash your hands, you should dispose it here, and you will find it over here, here, and the toilet paper here. While sitting on the toilet, you have a cigarette disposal over here, the doorknob to the right, a handle to hold on if you need to your right, to open the doors and close them. Here is a lock and a hook up over here, just under the light, which illuminates after you lock the door. There is an air vent to the left which you can adjust to your wishes. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to click over here. Cabin crew shall help you. If the fasten seatbelt sign is back on, the light over here will illuminate, which indicates that you should finish what you're doing and come back to your seat. If you want to shave, there's a socket over here, 110 volts, AC, everything should work with it. The toilet itself, pretty normal, the flush is here. If you want to change a baby, simply over here and it's done. To avoid injuries, never leave the infant unattended on the nursing table. You can see, rather normal. Here it's solid to the right. The right is solid to the left, not as much, but also not bad.